everyone, welcome back to Sky Finds. Today I want you to join me on this moment that I'm doing a little study session, and also want to tell you about my sofa. So first of all, I'm like super comfortable right now. I know like in the pictures you probably will see the sofa being in a different shape, but I'm gonna show you how to turn it like that later. But this is kind of how I would like it to be, and since I discovered this formation, I've had like much better experience in the living room. So first of all, I like just to sit here in this corner. So we have two big pillows that are for your back support. Oh no, actually three big pillows for your back support, and then we have two of these little pillows that you can hold, or you can use it to like bolster for support anywhere else that you want it. And all these pillows are super supportive. They're not like super like once you squish it, it will go completely flat with no support. Like it does have really nice support, and all these you can remove them and throw them in the washer. So it's very easy to keep clean, and also it is super easy to set up. It's very lightweight, so I would say this is an amazing sofa for if you're living by yourself. If you're gonna have to move it by yourself, it's totally doable by one person. So good for apartments, good for dorms. And also this is like super big, so I will lay down for you so you can see like even. So this would be like a shorter formation. So even on the shorter formation, I'm still able to like fully lay down. And if when I have like friends over, we can like lay down on here, or if they're just looking to spend the night real quick, this is like super comfortable. So I would like sit down very hard, and then I'm not sinking at all. You can tell it's like super supportive, and also that's something I usually look for in a sofa, because that determines how long you're going to be able to spend time in your sofa. And this one, I can tell you, I can study in here for like 3 to 5 hours without feeling any soreness or pain in my body. So that is something that I really would like to recommend. And right now I am putting it back into the L shape. Okay. Done. I'll align the back. So it does come with like a back part, which is like the same material and density as the sitting part, which is super nice. And then adding on this, it really boosts the comfort. So now I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put this tightly together. And this would be your typical L-shaped formation. And if you're super tall, you'll be able to sleep down here like all the way to over there. So I'm 5'3", and I have like so much more space. Even when I'm sitting on this part, like it fits me perfectly fine. So even if you're like much taller than me, you'll be able to fit in this sofa and use it perfectly fine with no issues. And I think that's all I have for you for now. If you are looking for a sofa that is super easy to set up, easy to clean, and also very supportive, this would be the one that I recommend. I will see you next time.